All right, guys. So today, let's go over the bullshit of the day before anything. So this account right here is one of my Apex evals. This is 100% BS, and I'm not bullshitting. I was up 300 and something on the day. I still blame this on myself though. We'll even go down to the orders. My trades never last more than about 5 minutes or so. But anyways, let's just get the bullshit out the way. I still blame it on myself. Took a loss of 1,137 due to a running order. It must have been a profit target or a stop loss put in place that I had forgotten about. So for that, still, like I said, I blame myself. So yeah, now that that's out the way, I mean, that does suck though. Bad. So I was up about 385. I ended up taking a small loss. I forget what the loss was now, but who really cares? I ended up being up about 2 something on the day. I forget what it was now. As you can see, my profits were pretty high out of 7 trades, and I was up like 300. I don't even know. It doesn't matter now because the account's blown. So anyways, for that matter, let's get the fuck out of here. So that does suck though. I'm not gonna lie and say it doesn't. Anyways, account 57, 253.80 on the day. Should be about one trade. Well, 2 trades, 2 contracts each with 260. All right, we'll go down. I can show you. Yeah, 2 trades. So, well, 2 contracts. Sorry. Small profit of 135. Another profit of 125. All right, we out of there. Next, we're gonna go to 58. Profits, 192.60 on the day. Now remember, I trade these accounts separately. And what I try and do is I try and get a quick trade off of the opening range, usually the breakout of pre-market, unless the opening range prints before we break pre-market low or high. If you know trading, you'd know what I understand what I'm saying. So anyways, long story short, I get a couple of trades by using my 3 key levels of the day. Does not matter what direction, up, down, sideways, I don't care. It depends on how it's trading. I do trade discretionary. I will trade the range depending on what I see. It's hard to explain. You know, if anyone has any more questions on something like that, maybe comment me or something. I don't know, I'm new to this content stuff. Excuse me, but yeah, you can. Hit me up and we can talk about it. But anyways, yeah, 190 on the day. I was up a little bit more than this, to be fair. I ended up taking 2 small losses, trying to catch a little bit more. Because like I said, I do go through each account, taking trades, and you know, it loses steam as we go. That was a 58. Okay, now we're gonna go to, damn man, that's, oh, right here. So 56. This was my first win. We broke pre-market highs on US 30. That was a really good trade. It's probably the best trade of the day, obviously. 50% win rate. I was up a little bit more. I'm not gonna lie. I ended up trying the top a little more. You know, we didn't hold the top. No continuation. No big deal. Either way, profits 515 minus 24 something. And so yeah. Anyways, profits 490 on the day, and that leaves the account balance at which one is this one? Oh, I thought I was seeing the wrong account. I got scared. Anyways, we're about halfway to getting this one funded. And also, yesterday I had gotten this account funded as of last night, and I posted the certificate. No payouts yet. I actually have never taken a payout yet. You know, I've been through fucking 50, who knows how many accounts, so I'm not gonna say and deny nobody. I've been trading about a year, give or take. And so yeah, and this is the funded account today. I was up a little bit more, probably shouldn't have took another trade, but I did. Who gives a fuck? Minus 90 bucks, you know what I mean? Because I'm gonna trade this one a lot more safe. You know, I wanna take a payout. Apex has a 30% consistency rule. They have an MAE rule, so you know, I'm just playing it safe. Anyways, that's my performance on the day, guys. Yeah, I mean, I don't really have much else for you. I have to go clock out. Clock out at 3:30, 3:27 now. Here's my trades on the day, like I said. What account is this? That's the PA. So like I said, when we broke the pre-market highs right here, if you see 1, 2, 3, those were the pre-market highs. We broke out. When we ended up retesting the 20 SMA, I'm not gonna lie to you, I did add one contract here. Once we broke, added to it, sold. I had one running, and then we sold the rest here. And I do like to save some of the move like I explained. So once we broke the high of this candle, I try and come up here, you know what I mean? Go into another account, bang, wait for the retest or whatever. And as you can see, look at that. I ended up picking up the exact account that I took the next trade on. As you can see right here, quick profits. I do not stay in for nothing crazy. I trade on the 1 minute time frame. So this is the 5 minute because I watched the one over here, and then I use my tablet for the 15-minute range here. I mean, for the 15-minute time frame here. I don't know, this must have died. Staying on. So anyways, guys, yeah, man, anyways, long story short, this is just a quick one, man. And yeah, you guys want to, I don't know, you guys want to know anything, see anything else, comment, whatever. Yeah, and I'll talk to you in the comments, whatever. All right, guys, I'm out of here.